Hi everyone, I'm Erin from the Wine Sisters, and today we're getting smashed. Welcome back everyone. My name is Erin Henderson. I am the founder and chief sommelier here at the Wine Sisters, and we are quickly approaching May, which means we are also quickly approaching Kentucky Derby. So what does that mean to us? It means that there will be thousands of people who could care less about the horse race, but who will be celebrating it anyway because it means that it is officially Mint Julep season. Today I'm going to show you a cocktail that's our close cousin to the julep. It's actually called the Whisky Smash, and the reason why I like it just a smidge better is that Whisky Smashes are just like juleps, but with more relaxed boundaries, and that's kind of my style for entertaining anyway. So typically juleps will have some kind of whiskey, usually a bourbon, along with some simple syrup and some mint. Where smashes get a little bit more relaxed is that they also incorporate fruit, and usually that's in the form of citrus. Just livens things up a little bit, and it means that you can make it for your home bartending without having to worry about the fastidiousness of what a julep might require. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So into our empty shaker, I'm going to put a couple of juicy wedges of lemon. 1, 2, maybe a little half of one. And with my trusty muddler, I'm just gonna muddle the juice out of it along with the peel. You're gonna get a lot of those beautiful aromatic oils coming out of the peel, which is just terrific, and I love it. Nice and juicy. Okay, so you get your lemons really nice and juicy, and then to that you throw in a bit of your mint. So you just throw that in, and you just want to give that 1 or 2 gentle muddles. You don't want to bang it all up so that it all comes apart. Just enough to release the oils. Okay, so that should do it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add ice to this shaker. We didn't want to add ice before because obviously it would make it difficult to muddle. So into that we go, and then we're going to pour in 2 ounces of our whiskey. In my case, I'm using a Canadian corn-based whiskey. It's called Barefaced, but you can use bourbon is very popular, or you can use whatever whiskey you like. So into that, I'm going to pour in 2 ounces. 1, 2. You can also freehand, whatever you'd like. Totally fine, up to you. And I'm going to put in just 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. This is just basic white simple syrup, nothing too fancy here. And in it goes. So now what we have in here is our lemon juice, our muddled mint. We also have our whiskey, and we have all our simple syrup. Simple. Taking the lid off that, we now take our tall glass. You can use a rocks glass if you have it, but I'm going to use a taller glass filled with ice, and I'm going to now strain it because I don't want to have any of those little flecks of mint coming off. Strain it right in there. Now here's another way that smashes are a little bit more flexible. Puritans will tell you that you need to have a glass filled with crushed ice, but I find crushed ice a real drag. Even if you have the setting on your freezer, which will allow for you to make crushed ice, I find it never makes enough. So cubed ice is just fine with me. To this, I'm going to add in this is a pretty healthy sprig of mint, maybe another little squeeze of lemon that I'm just going to put right on in here. And that is our Whisky Smash. Everyone, I hope you enjoy the Kentucky Derby, or at least your Whisky Smash. And if you do, please leave us a comment below, as well as maybe a thumbs up. And if you really want to get alerted to every time we bring out a video, which is once a week on Wednesdays, hit the bell and make sure you subscribe. We'd love to hear from you. Okay guys, my name's Erin. I'm from the Wine Sisters. I'll see you next week. And until then, stay well, drink better.